back. This is Breezing Through, and I'm Emily. So today I'm going to talk about sensory toys that we have and love. I've done this before, but it's been a while, and both of my kids are older and bigger, and we have more things. So I thought it was a good time to share again. If you're new here, my oldest is 9 and she is autistic. She was diagnosed when she was 2.5. My youngest is 3 and he has a speech delay. He has been evaluated for autism, and at the time they decided it wasn't like they weren't able to nail it down. As a parent, I don't think he's autistic. If he is, he's very, very low support needs. But that means I have 2 neurodivergent kids in my house and I have so many sensory toys. So let's walk through all of the ones that we have. Some of these might be repeats. If you've been following me for a while, we still love them. First up is the Nugget. We have had our Nugget since 2020. We actually got it like the week before they shut down their factory during COVID. Got it for my daughter's 3rd birthday, and it is by far my favorite. So we've had it for 6 years, and I've thought about getting a second one, but I actually think that we're going to get their new chair instead. It's called the Smore, and I think it's going to be a really great fit for the reading nook in my son's room. Anyway, we love our Nugget. We actually have 2 covers for it. I got a second cover. We actually have 2 covers for it. I got a second cover right before my son was born, and I usually have the green cover on it when it's downstairs in the family room, and then the pink cover on it when it was in my daughter's room. I think it's going to have the pink cover on it when it's in my son's room, just because that'll work better with the color scheme in his room. But we love it because it's a crash pad. It is a fort. It is all of the things. It is so much fun, and it's a great place for parents to lay down too. The next one is the fish swivel chair. So we first saw this actually at occupational therapy with my daughter, and my son loved it. He was an infant at the time, and he was just trying to figure it out, and he thought it was so cool. And so we got this for Christmas of 2024, and my son took a little bit of time to warm up to it. He was not super into it. My daughter loved it, but in the last, I'd say 6 months, he's warmed a lot more up to it, and he will sit there and get dizzy and then get off and go do something else. It's also really fun to see them interact with each other on it. It's very durable, and ours still looks brand new, and we've had it for a 1.5 years now. Next is the circle swing. So I actually got this frame that the swing is attached to for a hammock that we used to have that we don't really use as much anymore. But I got this swing also, I believe, for Christmas of 2024, and my kids love it. It's so much fun having it outside, and it's so nice that it can spin or it can swing back and forth, and it's just a really nice place for both of them to be able to lay and chill. And there's just something about it that's different than a regular swing. When my son was younger, he liked to smush his face on the bottom of it because it's mesh, so he could see the ground as he was swinging. I think if I was going to suggest any swing, it would be this one, just because there's so much flexibility with it. And then the last one is this modular balance beam set. And there are several versions of this that I've seen online. I got this for my kids for Christmas in 2025 because my daughter has done tons of obstacle courses over the years with occupational therapy, and I thought it would be a really great thing for my son as well. And both of my kids love it. It typically lives on this section of our couch just because they like to walk along it and hold on to the couch at the same time. I will pull it off the back of the couch and use it for other things when we're trying to do an obstacle course or something, but this is kind of a nice place for it because it's not super in the way. One of my absolute favorite things about this thing is because it's modular, it's stacked, and so the straight pieces all stack together, and then the connecting pieces all stack together. And there's a really cool way for you to be able to tell what pieces go together. There's this little smiley face that you can see, and there's half of it on one side and half of it on the other. And so you know that when you put those together, you make a whole happy face, and that's the straight section between the connector pieces. So that's it. All of them are linked for you on my site because you should be able to find them as well. Like I said, we have had all of these for a long time now. We love every single one of them. I'm not big on keeping things that we don't use because our house isn't that big and we have very limited storage. And so if we don't use it, we don't love it, it goes. If you have any sensory toys that you love that I did not mention here that you think other people should know about, please share them in the comments because this is all about sharing and helping other people. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more videos like it in your feed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.